Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. In our previous video we have discussed about features and uses of HTML. Now in this tutorial we will see that how we can design our first web page by using HTML. So here I have created a simple template for understanding our HTML code. So here in this first statement you can see that this is a doc type metadata and it is used to provide information to the browser about the document type so that a browser can easily understand the type of document. So for our HTML5 we use the doc type as HTML. Now my dear friends, our HTML code is made up of different elements and each element is having an opening tag and closing tag. So my dear friends, here you can see that we have used HTML tag, head tag and body tag, and all these tags are written inside angular bracket. So this is our HTML tag, which is the root tag of our HTML document, and inside HTML tag we have head tag and body tag. Now this is our opening head tag and this is our closing head tag, and this head tag contains the information about the document, and this body tag is used to provide the main content of our document, and the content which we write inside our body tag will be visible on our web browser. So here I have created one file with the name myhtml and I have saved this file with an extension as .html. Here we will see that how we can create our first web page by using an HTML code. My dear friends, you should not worry about these HTML tags, as we will going to discuss about each and every tag in detail in a separate video. In this tutorial you can just try to understand that how we can simply create our first web page by using HTML. So let us start with our tutorial. So this is a doc type metadata and the document type of this file is HTML. Now this is a root tag, and inside our root tag we are having head tag, and as we have already discussed that head tag contains information about the document. Now here we have used a title tag. So this is our opening tag and this is my closing tag, and this is the content of our title tag. So this title tag is used to provide title to our web page, and whatever we write inside it will be visible to us in our title bar. Let me launch this HTML file in Google Chrome. So my dear friends, in our title bar you can see that this is the title which we have given to our HTML document, my first web page. Now let us discuss about our body tag. So our body tag contains the main content of our HTML document. So inside our body tag we have used multiple tags. Whenever we launch our code in web browser, then web browser compile our HTML code, and after successful compilation it will start reading the code from top to bottom and left to right. These tags are also known as keywords, and these keywords are used by web browser to display the content of our web page in different format. Now this h1 tag is our heading tag, this is my opening tag, and this is the name of our tag, and this is the attribute of our tag. So here I have used style attribute, and this is the value which we have given to our style attribute, and this is the content of our h1 tag, and this is the closing tag. So here you can see that whatever content we have given in our h1 tag is visible in our web browser, and it is in red color. Now my dear friends, there are two types of tags in HTML. The first type of tags are those which are having an opening tag and closing tag, and there are one more type of tags in HTML, and they are known as empty tag or self-closing tag. So these types of tags don't contain any content, and they also don't have any closing tag. So this is our HR tag, and this is used to provide the horizontal line. So here you can see that we are getting an horizontal line on our web page. Now this is our paragraph tag, and this is the name of our tag P, and here we have used an style attribute, and we have used font size which is extra large, and its color is blue, and its font weight is bold. So all these properties will be applied to the content which is present inside our paragraph tag. We can use this BR tag if we want our content to appear in the next line. It is similar to new line character in Java. So here you can see that this is our first statement, and it is blue in color, and also the font of this content is bold, and here we have used a break tag. So our content is starting from next line, and again we have used this BR tag. That's why this content is appearing in next line in our web page. So this is about our paragraph tag, and here I have used a center tag. So whatever content which we will give inside our center tag will appear in the center. and here I have used an anchor tag A, and this anchor tag is used to provide link in our HTML. This is my opening anchor tag and this is my closing anchor tag, and this is the content of my anchor tag, that is visit my channel. So here you can see that this is the content which we are getting and it is appearing in the center of our line, and this href is an important attribute of our anchor tag. So whenever we will click on this content, then it will redirect us to the location whose value we will provide in our href attribute. And this is the style attribute which I have added to our anchor tag. So its font size is extra large and its color is red and its font weight is bold. That's why we are getting it in red color, and its content is bold. And here I have used one more attribute as target, and its value is underscore blank. So whenever we will click on a link, then it will open a web page in a new tab. So here you have seen that by using our anchor tag, we can simply add a link to our web page. So my dear friends, hope you are able to understand that how simply we can create a web page by using an HTML code. Also, you should not worry about these tags, as from our next tutorials we will discuss about each and every tag in detail. So my dear friends, if you like the content of my tutorial, then do like, comment and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for latest updates.